Here we go. Take one.
Hi friends, fans, and future survivors. We are here to invite you to our next show this Friday at the Paradise Grille. And we have some things that will tempt you to come, besides the Jamaican punch and the Jamaican food. First of all, we are going to introduce to you our newest penguin. Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see who that was? Well, if the mysterious masked woman does not tempt you to come out this Friday, perhaps some little snippets of our new songs will. We're not going to tell you where. But we will play you a little bit of another song that we've been working on with the mysterious masked lady. Iran, Israel, Turkey, Albuquerque. They did it, are doing it in Tunisia and Italy. For any shapes for race. Let's make a belly dance circle in outer space. So now we've started our sacred space party. Someone go to the center and free your body, free your body, free your body. Belly dance your body.
It's enough. We gotta stop that.
Oh.
We can't show them too much.
Okay. I was just gonna belly dance a little bit.
Now when you guys stood up.
So you want to see a little belly dancing? Why don't you show them a little bit?
Okay, stay there. Let me see what it looks like because you know.
Yeah. Why don't we show them a little bit of belly dancing? I think you should cut that.